Alright, hello everyone. This is the second part of my two-part well series of Will I Make a Well, and I guess let's get right into it. These are the two tutorials that I used for this part. They're the same tutorial, just two separate parts from the same playlist. Right now I'm just editing the top beam that I made last part. Um, and I'm just adding some some more inconsistencies. Sorry, I can't speak. Some more inconsistencies to sort of really give it that nice look. Um, and right now I'm just looking, admiring my work. Looking at what else I should maybe change. I'm rotating. Sorry, I'm ro I'm rotating. It's really late where I am right now. Uh, it's 6 in the morning, and I've stayed up till 6 in the morning, so I'm a bit, my brain's a bit numb, if you will. Uh, yeah, so I'm adding the little supports that are gonna be supporting the roof. Um, I don't know actually why I'm putting so much care into adding a little slit there. Because I don't really think it would matter if I just made the overlap, to be honest. But hey ho, doesn't matter, I guess now. Um, right, yeah. This is gonna take a bit of fiddling, if I remember correctly, because I kept trying to like make it right, but like if you look at it now, it's like uh lopsided, and the end part of it is sort of thicker than the start of it, which is where I'm editing now. But I think I've fixed it. It still looks a bit lopsided to me, but we'll see. We'll see if I happen to change that. Um, I'm trying to add some more little cuts in the wood to give it more uh, spice, if you will, some more gravitas. Um, yeah. So yeah, there you go. Some more little inconsistencies. I'm adding a little cut there as well using the knife tool um, to again add like a little cut in the wood, a little chip out of the wood. Um, yeah, it's looking pretty good to be honest. Kind of. I don't know why it looks like that. I feel like that looks more like one of those like I was talked about last part as well. Uh, like a dry wound. Like when wood goes dry and it cracks, like old wood and it cracks and stuff. I think that's sort of what it looks like. Um, oh, oh, did I just undo it? Okay, well, I guess that wood doesn't have a crack from drying. Um, I thought that would have worked actually, but hey ho, who cares? Um, okay, uh, um, I don't know why I did that, but I decided to delete the like crack because I think the crack looks way better than that, but doesn't matter. Yeah. I'm pretty sorry. I just don't know what to say, and I'm so sorry. Anyway, now I'm adding another little oh, what is that? Oh, right. So okay. So now I'm actually making the actual frame for the roof, where the like whatchamacallit, where the little clay roof tiles are gonna go. And I seem to be sort of struggling a bit to get this bit of wood to fit, but I got it, and I actually really like how it sort of bends like that. Um, Maybe a bit too much, but it's fine. It's fine. Um, right, and then I think just to duplicate it now, unless I decide to oh, I'm definitely gonna decide to uh mirror it, hopefully, because that would make a lot of sense. Or at least mirror it on the y-axis here. So one side's done, and then I can edit the other one. Yeah, you see that I didn't quite do that correctly, not quite how I wanted it, and then I'm just changing it to, well, fit better, I guess. Yeah, I really, like I said, I really don't know why I'm putting so much care into getting it to fit so precisely. Nobody would notice that. Let's be honest. Unless you're watching this video of me baking it, then no one's gonna notice it. Yeah. And there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. It's looking pretty good, it's looking pretty good, I'd say. Yeah. There you go, moving all that to sort of touch. So it looks like it's actually supporting the roof. But then again, looking at it now, it just doesn't look very stable. There you go, yeah. I mean, just look at it. It doesn't look very stable at all. Okay, let's just imagine that under the well there, the grid that you see is just ground, and the logs actually go deep into the ground, and then maybe it's a bit more structurally sound. I think at first, actually, when I was making this, in the moment, I thought that this was gonna be like the little part where the rope wraps around and goes like in the middle. I don't know why I thought that, because it's like nowhere near the actual middle of the well. So yeah, I don't know. Just thought it's like a cool little thing. I don't know. But yeah, doing that, this and that, and moving it a bit, making it a bit short because it was too long. Making it bend a tiny bit, which is nice. Just really giving it that old sort of rustic look. Oh, hold on, wait, what? That was quick. I just mirrored it in like a split second, and now I'm on to the clay roof tiles. I remember I looked up an image of roof tiles because I completely forgot how they looked. But this, now if I remember correctly, this took me ages because I couldn't for the life of me get the sort of rotation right, and I couldn't figure out which tile was supposed to be on top of which ones. And I think the first iteration that I did of it, I did it completely wrong, and if it was to rain, the rainwater would just drip through the roof because they weren't layered correctly. Yeah, it was like the very top one was under the next one, and under the next one, under the next one, under the next one, instead of like the very top one being like laying on top of the one under it, and then etc, etc. And let's see if we can see this. I really should have prepared better, like made maybe a little script or something. Maybe next time, we'll see. Yeah, so yeah, there you go, moving it, adjusting it. Probably gonna move it down a bit so it actually touches the bottom sort of support there. But I actually really like how this little clay roof tile turns out. I think it's looking pretty good. Yeah, there you go. Let's see if I'll show how I messed this up. I think I will. Yeah, look, see what I mean? The very top one is, oh yeah, see, the very top one is, oh, never mind, I am doing it correctly. What am I on about then? Huh. The next, yes, yeah, okay. The next ones after that, they're gonna be sort of on top of that second one, that second roof tile there. You'll see in a second because it's quite hard to explain, and like I said, it's very late for me. I've got literally no sleep. I will go to bed soon, don't worry. But yeah, you'll see in a second because yeah, it's just hard to explain. Like I was saying, especially because of my lack of sleep. So yeah. Oh, and also from last video, I did make the time lapse faster, so instead of this being like a 30-ish minute video, it's a 20-minute video. And if anyone is here watching who isn't me, I hope you've noticed that well, okay, that's not true. I was gonna say I'm stuttering less and sort of tripping on my own words less, but it's not quite true, is it? But yeah, no, I'm kind of getting used to hearing myself in my headphones, which yeah, is something, I guess. Progress. Yeah. This is quite boring, I guess, but I'm just duplicating the clip. Oh, looking back at this now, I could have used an array modifier. Probably no. I bet I could have used an array modifier and made this a ton easier for myself. Because this is, yeah, this took me a long time, a long time. I guess it gives me a lot more creative freedom getting to edit each break individually, but I mean, it's not like I'm going in editing the breaks and like changing and deforming them individually. But oh, there you go. I've actually noticed my mistake and I'm fixing it. Or I think, well, I'm fixing the mistake before it even happens, but I'm not sure. I think I'll still make the mistake, and you'll get to see what I mean, or what I meant speaking about this earlier. Yeah, there you go. That's the second layer of bricks. Oh, sorry. I'm getting a call. Right. Sorry, that was my sister. If you heard my ringtone, it was the sound of an alarm, like a wake up alarm. You know what I mean? And that's because my alarm seemed to not work. So I went into the settings and I changed a bunch of things, and I changed the ringtone to be the alarm tone, hoping that would somehow help, which is very dumb in hindsight. But yeah, and I never changed it back, which is yeah. Yeah, I don't think I did make the mistake in the roof here, which, I mean, I was kind of hoping to show you guys what I meant, but hopefully you get the gist. If not, well, I don't know. I guess you'll have to deal with it. Maybe. No. If you want to know, I don't know, ask in the comments if anyone is here other than me. Future me, don't ask in the comments. Just saying. Okay, what is going on right now? Why am I like... Okay, what is this? This is really not good. This is a really bad look on me. Why is the video standing still? What? Okay, hold on. Right, so sorry. I just had to quickly edit that. See, that's what happens when you don't watch the video before you start doing the voiceover. Things mess up, and I don't even know how I messed it up that badly, but here we are. I fixed it, kind of. I mean, there was like a few minutes of this stale screen. Yeah, there you go. I'm naming it stale screen. I bet it's gonna happen more than once, due to my lovely editing. So, yeah, that's the official name for it, stale screen. Anyway, there you go. So I'm adding. I mean, if you look at this looks like a great roof, I think. I think that looks bloody splendid. I think it genuinely looks amazing. I'm adding the, whatchamacallit, not the leaf, but what is it? Lettuce, I'm adding the lettuce. There you go. This is really cool, by the way. I thought this was so cool when I was doing it. I mean, and it turns out great, I think. I think if you actually look at it, I think the two sides of the well's roof, they aren't actually even, because after I applied the lettuce, or no, I applied the mirror modifier. I changed the lettuce on one side, And then obviously because I've already applied the mirror modifier, the lattice doesn't apply on the other side anymore. So I think I kind of made it uneven at some point. Maybe next video, maybe at this point. I'm not sure. But something like that does happen. And yeah, I'm just playing around, seeing what looks good. Really what looks better. Ah, I didn't include that little support in the lattice. There you go. Added it there now. There you go. I'm just sort of trying to find the balance between what looks the best sort of curvature wise and what looks actually plausible for wood to sort of look, which I guess you can bend wood, and you do bend wood, like if you look at medieval ships and stuff, they had to bend the wood, and I assume they used heat and stuff. There you go. I'm making the little rod with the yeah, with the rope and handle and stuff. Cool stuff, cool stuff. Very cool, very good. But genuinely, I don't know I'm saying this now because I've got a whole another video to do, but I'll probably repeat it again. But I've had a ton of fun doing this. Genuinely, this was so fun. So, I mean, I don't sound very enthusiastic right now, but that's, like I said, because it's very late and I'm tired. But genuinely, this was so much fun. I enjoyed this so much. It was so annoying at parts when I couldn't get things right. Like at the start when I couldn't get the bend of the well right, and they just wouldn't bend correctly for me. But I got it in the end, and the whole project overall, it was amazing, and it was a ton of fun. And yeah, it was great. Yeah. There you go. And then I'm just duplicating the little handle. I'm just duplicating the little rod there to make the handle. And oh, now I'm gonna add the little supports for the logs here. I'm actually doing this on the wrong side, so I'm gonna have to rotate this, which I will. And this, sorry, pardon me. By the way, took me so long because of the way it's made, because I decided to, instead of like a normal person getting a wedge, what is it, a wedge mesh? A mesh that's a wedge. Like, you know what I mean, like the triangular wedge. I decided to take a block and make it into a wedge shape instead of just using a wedge. And then this block also has all these little inconsistencies in it, and all these little cuts and little whatever you want to call it, right? Missing bits of wood in it, and it just makes this the whole thing so much harder to actually edit and make. Like, I haven't done anything. Look at this. It's taking me so long. And I mean, yeah, you can see what I mean. It's craziness, to be honest. I do figure out in the end. But okay, if anyone's watching, then there's like no way that you haven't left by now, because just that bit would make me leave if I was someone who didn't know me watching this. I mean, if I did know me watching this, I'd just leave, because that took so long. But I did it. I got it. There you go. And I think it actually turned out pretty good. Maybe not worth the time that I put into it, but yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah. I've actually watched some shorts of other people doing this, and they've done it so much better than me. They've added like a block on the other side of that log there, and I was like, why didn't I do that? But too late now. Well, it's not. I could go in the project and edit it, but anyways, there you go. That's how it looks now, and hope you enjoyed, and see you next video. Bye.